Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is bar magnets and induced magnetism. Bar magnets are nothing but the permanent magnets whose magnetic properties cannot be turned on or off. It means that it shows the magnetic properties at all the instant of time. Here is your bar magnet, which has a north pole and a south pole. So simple. Let's move on to your next topic, and that is induced magnetism. So what does it mean by induced magnetism? Induced magnetism means a temporary magnetism acquired by a magnetic material. A permanent magnet is brought near a magnetic material. For example, if you'll observe here, when the magnet is in contact with that iron nail, at that instant, first the iron nail becomes the magnet and then it tries to attract the small iron pieces. Okay, thus induction precedes attraction.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.